Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and Ohio gozaimasu. You are watching Shaki Corporation, an automobile channel, an auto dealer, and my name is Muhammad Abrar Ahmad. Today I am bringing for you a review for another car. This is DIHATSU CAST. To be very honest, this is one of my favorite 660 category car. This car is very beautiful. As you can see the shape. The shape is good. It has LED lights. It has a beautiful grille. It has fog lamps, and the grille is here, and open grille here for the radiator, so it can keep the car cool. There is a camera here. It is a radar basically. This radar helps if there is a car in front. This is the back side of the car. So it's look like mini SUV, right? Okay, this car, as you see from the front, it's look very beautiful. Same like from the back side, it is very beautiful. It has back wiper, it has water, brake lights, reverse lights, brake lights here. The big one easily shown. It is cost Activa, whatever the variant is written here. The lights, this one, these are reverse and indicator. And if you want to know about this car any further, please comment in the comment section. Thank you. Button, very beautiful when it's starting. This car has 58,000 kilometers on it. Let's turn on the AC. Perfect, it has auto AC. Front glass, rear glass, AC, inside, outside, and this is for the temperature. It's hot in Japan right now, so make it low. HDMI port is here. Okay. TV, back camera, and we have many options. We have radio, we have DVD, we have navigation, USB, iPod, Bluetooth. So all things are available here. So we will go to AV navigation system, and there is a map SD card here, if you can see, and USB port is here, and AUX. So here is Siri. The car is good. Alhamdulillah. You can keep your glasses here. Gloves box. Cup holder for the passenger. And this one is a cup holder for the driver's side. So options I was telling you about this car, it has a power option. If you turn on the power button, you will see here it is a power sign came up. This one is it can give extra accelerator to the car when it's running, so it is good for takeover and speed up for our little bit.